It's Beauty Loop Day again, so let's see what's inside this box. It's the third box for the year. I'm sorry I'm not too enthusiastic today. I think I'm having another migraine. Meds have only just started to take the edge off, so yeah, anyway, let's get right in. Picked it up this morning. Usual, inside your Beauty Loop, discover blah blah blah. Alright. Card. What does it say on it? Oh, there's more to love when you're in the Beauty Loop. You always find level 3 member. Oh. Yeah, blah blah. Okay, the part that is not the same shit every time. We can't wait for you to try Tower 28's Mini Shine On Lip Jelly, the hydrating apricot kernel and raspberry seed oils that make this almost good enough to eat, plus a deluxe sample from Kerastase, the professional secret to incredible hair. Cool. Alright. Where are we on? First up. What's this? Perfume Toca. Florence? EDP? Yay, perfumes. I like perfumes, sensory therapy and all that. Florence is a classic floral fragrance that captures your effortless charm. Do I have effortless charm? Please advise. Inspired by the style and sophistication of the city of Paris, Florence is a chic blend of bright bergamot, lush pear, and delicate gardenia, a timeless indulgence you'll fall in love with again and again. And then they've got French, because people think French is fancy. And it says, love yourself. Alright. Can I smell it from here? Yeah, I'll spray it on me eventually. Yay, perfume. I like perfume. Alright, what's this? Oh, we've got glow recipe. Watermelon glow niacinamide dewdrops. I've had smaller samples of it before, and it seems alright. It doesn't say how to use it on this, and I can't remember. I think it's like a serum, but I will have to Google it and double check. Alright, what's next? Tower 28. It's sort of generic pink lip gloss, I guess. I don't use a whole lot of lip glosses. Like, I mainly just use the Nivea lip balm. Although I have been using the Mecca Cosmetica lip protectant when I put my sun cream on and go and walk the dog. I don't know, like, I bumped into my aunt today and she's like, what are you using for your lips? And I don't know if that's just because I mentioned I was going to Mecca, or if she seemed to be looking at my lips, like maybe they looked particularly good today. I don't know. That was this morning though, and I have not been doing well since. Oh, what's this? We've got Charlotte Tilbury, exagger-eyes volume mascara. I really should try and use more mascara, but the thing is, like, because I've been so unwell and distracted, it's hard to remember to try all these things. Like, I've still got some goth lipsticks I haven't tried to see if the black works. Anyway, last thing. This is the Kerastase Gloss Absolute Glaze Drops Wild Rose in Oil, Hair Oil. Okay, not really sure what I'm meant to do with that, so that's another thing I'm going to have to look up. High gloss lightweight oil for long hair prone to frizz. My hair's been doing alright since I've been using the, conditioner, like leave-in conditioner stuff. I don't know, I can try it, but I might give it to my mum. And that's everything that's in the level 3. Level 3. I can't hold. Can I hold them all? Hey, that's what I got in my level 3 box. I've seen a few other photos of like slightly different products, but yeah, nothing in this really excites me. I mean, the perfume for me is probably the most interesting. But yeah. So that's the Mecca portion, and for those of you who are following me just in general, yeah, today, so, I took the new medication last night and from preventing migraines, and then this morning my blood pressure was back down to like almost 90-60, but I think that's just from being asleep. And then later I had a nap and it was lower, and I think that's from, lying down. But then later when I got up, my blood pressure was back to 100 and something, over 60 something, so the bottom number's still low, but I'm told to focus on the top number. I have felt low energy, but I slept okay. I think having my new blanket maybe made me cozier, although it could be the new medication, the beta blocker, that sort of gave me deeper sleep, but then the dog woofed around 6 and I wasn't able to sleep after that, so that could be why I'm having migraine issues, and I think it's a migraine, but I don't know for sure because usually I get them on this side and it was on that side instead. But I got to Mecca before it really got bad, and then yeah, tried to have the nap, didn't really nap very successfully, and then the headache has just got worse and worse. I took Nurofen, didn't really do anything. I took my old rescue medication because I just started the preventative, and so if I get side effects to any, like, I don't want to take the new medication and not know which of the new medications is, so I didn't take the new rescue medication because I need to know which thing is giving me a side effect, if it's the preventative or if it's the rescue medication. So I just took the old rescue medication because I know how that affects me, but it didn't really seem to help, and I've only started to get better upon, like, you know, having dinner and then having another 2 Nurofens. But yeah, I feel like I'm speaking with a bit more fry still. My energy is not good. I think I've had like some weird aches and pains and I'm just not doing too well. So yeah, I think that's everything I want to say at the moment because I just need to get on with whatever. I've gotten through most of my to-do list today. It's just the Patreon preview of my new music that I'm writing. I'm not destroying anything. Everything's fine. Nothing's broken. I'm going to try and get on to that now while this uploads. But yeah, so that's a quick update. And hopefully I sleep better tonight and hopefully I feel better tomorrow. But it sucks that I'm getting so many migraines at the moment, so I don't know.